Hello everyone, this is Ananya. Here I am with another video of room decor. In this video, I have shown you step by step how I have painted these two pots with Madhubani or Mithila motifs. It's a very beginner friendly yet nice design, I think, and with this painting you can turn a dull earthen pot or planter or bottle into a very ethnic looking beautiful piece of decor for your home. If you want to give it a try, then follow this tutorial step by step till the end. Things we need for this project are brushes, colors and a sandpaper, and of course 2 terracotta pots. I am now smoothing the surface of the pot for easy application of the colors. After the base coat of white color, I am making lines, 3 lines around the pot with a pencil. All the colors I have used in this video are Febricryl acrylic colors, and here I am using red color. This golden color is not very opaque, so I had to use 2 coats of this color. Here I am creating a sun-like pattern. On this smaller pot, I have painted Madhubani motifs of fish and lotus flower. The first pot painting is done. The painting on the second pot, the bigger one, is finer and more intricate. I liked it more than the first one, so keep on watching and tell me which of these two you think is better in the comment section. The motif I am painting here is of fish and peacock. Actually, fish and peacock mingled together. You can follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. Madhubani painting or Mithila painting is an art form of Mithila region of Bihar. Beside Madhubani art, I also like Lippan art, which is also a folk art of India originated from Kutch region of Gujarat. I have made a video on Lippan art. The link of that video is provided in the I section above and also in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a big like, please share and comment also, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Take care, I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, bye.